guys, this is Darryl back with another video for you. This is going to be a little short one. I thought I might show you how more easily to make a vector drawing out of a photo, or in this case, a picture off the internet. So you can kind of see here what I've got. This is just got this off the internet, just copied it, put it in and pasted it into CorelDraw. But I don't want it in that form. I want it in something like this, where a line art I can use as a vector. I'm going to engrave all of these onto a bottle, a Yeti type bottle, and I need it to be in black and white vector, such as this. So how do we do that? Well, CorelDraw has the ability to do that, but with something with all those different shadings, it's, you have to, the best way to do it is to change it to black and white or to grayscale and then run it through. It's just faster the way I'm about to show you. Okay. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it and I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy it. Now let me drag in Google. I'm doing this with Google AI. So I got a Google search bar. I'm going to click on AI mode. It's asking, so what's on your mind? It'll ask me anything. So I'm going to right click up here and I'm going to paste that picture I just copied. You can see the little small piece of it right there. Now it says ask anything. Well, in my case, I want to make this image into a black and white line drawing. And there's a lot of other things you can put in here to tell it to do exactly what you want. But this should get exactly, pretty close to what I need. And then I'm going to click this blue up arrow. And then it goes to thinking. Now this AI mode up here, you can click on it and you can change it to, right now it's on set for fast. Or you can click on Pro. Now Pro, you only get a certain number of times per day to use Pro. But I think fast, you could probably use it many more times in a day. And I'm going to go ahead and let it do its thing. Even though it says fast, it sometimes takes a little while. Oh, there it is. So, and you can see that it did a really good job. And if it's not something you want exactly, you can type in other things. I'm not going to show you all that right now, maybe in another video, but this tattoo up here on his arm, you can change that. You can take it off. I'll show you in another video. But anyway, this is going to get what we want. I can either download it here, or I can just right click it, and my purposes will be, I'm just going to right click it and copy the image. Now I'm going to drag this back out of the way so you can see my CorelDraw again. And then I'm going to right click right next to that one and paste it. Well, you see what it comes in huge. So I'm just going to make it smaller so we can compare it side by side with what we just made. And look at that. That does a really good job, in my opinion. So look through it all. If it's done exactly what you want, then you're good. But you will see also, I'm going to zoom in, and you see this is still a bitmap. So to make a suitable image for what I'm looking for, I want to make it into a vector file. So we can go up here and trace bitmap, outline trace, and usually I hit clip art. This time I'm just going to click align art. I don't think it really matters in this situation, but I'm going to make this big so you can see it. And there it is, pretty quick. Well, I don't want any of that white in there either, so I'm going to tell it right here on the background color to color from entire image. So it's taken the white out of all of the image and just left the black. I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to select and drag this one over, and I'll show you. I'll zoom on in. You see the smooth lines? That's how you know it's a vector versus the bitmap, where it's got fuzzy lines. If the bitmap's what you want, you're already done, but I use vectors most of the time. So there we are. So that's just a quick video to show you how to speed up the process of changing something into a vector file for you, for your engraving needs. And that's all I've got for you today. I'll make another video talking about, maybe talking about the AI a little bit more if someone wants to see it. But please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, share this video, and please leave some comments just so I'll know somebody's looking at it and either appreciates it or thinks it's stupid. So next time I'll make a better video. Thanks a lot. We'll see you later. Bye.